let's take the second example. We have two digit number 26. In previous example we have taken the sum. Here we can take the multiplication, means see here 6 is the 3 times of 2. The one digit is 2 and your second digit will be 3 times of that 2, that is 6. The same way let's assume one number. Instead of 2, let's assume x. So this number is on tens place. And which number will be there on unit place? 6, means 3 times of x. What will be the expanded form? 20 plus 6. Since 2 is on tens place, so 20. And here x, so 10x plus 3x, 13x. Let's replace the digit. 2 will go to unit place, 6 will go to tens place. Same way here 3x will be on tens place and x will be on unit place. Interchange, replacing the digit. Then the expanded form for this 62 is 60 plus 2, and here it's 3x into 10. $30x plus x, 31x. So you can see here after replacement the number is this, and before replacement the number is this.